dear students, my name is Jyoti Kumari Chaubey and I am your computer teacher, and I am going to start a new series for you students because school going students require a guidance. So I am here in CS Hub with a guidance for my all dear students. Okay, now today we will start the introduction. What is computer and how computer gets on, what is the mechanism behind this, and what are input output processing devices. This is very basic video, but you will enjoy a lot and it will be very much beneficial for all of you. So let's start. Please, if you think that you have to come again on this channel, then you can subscribe this channel CS Hub, okay, where we will learn all the things about computers. Now start. Introduction to computer. What is computer? As you all know that computer is an electronic device, but it is not only the electronic device. It work on data, raws, facts and information, and it will give us a process result. So computer is an electronic device, but it works on data and it get input and then process it and then give us output as a result. So come to the slide. Okay, let me start. Select the pen. Yes, now this is input device. Are you able to see? It's not working. Yes, input device. This is called input device, and this is, I will select here highlighter and laser pointer, and you will be able to see the pointer easily. Okay, this is input device, and with the help of input device we input the data and information. It will work in the central processing device and it will give us the output. Central processing unit or central processing device is the same thing. Here are three parts: control unit, arithmetic and logical unit, and memory unit. Memory unit, there is a register present inside the CPU, and central processing unit, control unit, controls the data buses by which the कमांड गोज, जिससे कि कमांड जाता है हमारे सिस्टम को, उसको कंट्रोल करता है कंट्रोल यूनिट. एंड अरिथमेटिक एंड लॉजिकल यूनिट helps to take decision what to do, what are the arithmetic operation are required and what we have to do. Okay, so it is arithmetic logical unit, and then it will give us, after processing it will give us in which form? In output. With the help of output devices it will provide us the output with some devices. Okay, now come to the next point. When we power on the computer, then what happened? Basic input output system, BIOS will loaded. BIOS is uploaded. It is just a chip. You can see here BIOS is a chip. You can also see here, this is another image and side view, and this is top view of the BIOS, basic input output system. This will load and it will allow you to upload the operating system. Then operating system will upload. This PC is turned on, the BIOS initialize the hardware, the BIOS call code stored in the MBR at the start of 0 Okay, loads the code from the boot sector of the active partition. Active partition do the boot sector loads and runs the bootloader from its file system and booting takes place. This is very mm, this is a little bit high level, but you have to understand that BIOS is loaded and MBR and active partition. You can skip it for this time, and then bootloader. You can think that, you can understand that, then booting takes place. Okay, so this is the process: input, process, output. Okay, and we will provide the feedback also. What are input devices? Now we all have to aware that what are output devices, what are input devices, what are processing devices. Then input devices are keyboard, mouse, this is the pen. Okay, pen. And there are so many things. Camera, with the camera we can transfer the images, pen drive, CD, lots of things are there. First of all, you have to understand that input device. What is input devices? With help of the device we are inputting our data. With the help of a device, if we are able to input the data, information, image, text, graphics, audio, video, anything, if we are able to insert it in our computer with the help of any device, then this device is called input device. And the processing takes place in CPU. And then output devices. Output devices are printer, monitor, plotter, speaker, headphones. There are lots of things. Okay, so students, you are getting confused in between the input and output devices, internal and external devices. So please understand that input device is the device which help us to input the data inside the computer, and output device is the device which help us to collect the data, processed output. Okay, and don't get confused that input device means CPU. Some of students are asking me that ma'am अंदर है तो इनपुट डिवाइस है. नो बेटा, अंदर है तो वो इनपुट डिवाइस नहीं है. जिसकी मदद से हम डेटा अंदर डालते हैं, इंफॉर्मेशन, फैक्ट्स अंदर डालते हैं, वो इनपुट डिवाइस है. और मैंने कई बार बता दिया, कीबोर्ड है, माउस है, पेन टैब है. यू कैन सी दिस टैब. ओके, पेन टैब. ओके, and there are lots of things with the help of that we can input the data. With the help of pen tab, I am inserting the data which you are seeing on your video, and with the help of camera also I am recording this. Okay, so this is input device. Now it must be clear for all the students that what are input devices, what are output devices. Please don't get confused. You are getting confused every time. So from next time I will not tolerate this. Okay, so input, process and output. Now you can see here. Okay, keyboard, graphic pad. Some of students are asking me, ma'am, joystick is an input device, not an output device. Okay, with the help of joystick we can play the game. Scanner, we can scan the images. Digital camera, trackball, microphone. Okay, mic is microphone, but headphone and speakers are output devices. Okay, mic, with the help of mic, here is a mic. With the help of mic I am recording this. Okay, so these are the points in input, process and output. Please be sure that you will not get confused from next time. Now more on MS Windows 10. What is MS Windows 10? Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows operating system according to your book, but updated version is now Windows 11. Please remember this, Windows 11 is updated version in recent time, but Windows 10 is according to your book. Okay, it is one of the most advanced and user friendly operating system. Most advanced, it is most advanced and user friendly and most popular. Okay, now features of Windows 10, it is more secure than previous version. Okay, there is so many security facilities, better usability, flexible and user friendly. Virtual desktop allows the user to create multiple desktop in one operating system at no cost. Okay, you can see that. And user can personalize their operating system according to their need and priorities. If you have any requirement, then you can personalize the operating system, as there are so many platforms. In school we are personalizing our system, we are configuring our system according to school requirement. In offices, in ATM, in bank, in airports, in hospitals, all the systems are configured according to their need and their requirement. Okay, is it clear? So user can personalize their operating system according to their need and priorities. Now continuum. What is continuum? This feature allows the Windows to be used on devices that support mouse, keyboard and touch input. Continuum support mouse, keyboard and touch input. And there is also a tablet mode. Tablet mode is the feature where we don't need mouse or keyboard to use the device. We can use the voice only. Okay, then task view. What is task view? You can see this image. This is task view image, and in which you can see all these. Okay, open task. There are 8 tasks and you can see that they all are visible with the help of this. Okay, see this option. Okay, you can see highlighter, my highlighter, where it is highlighting. Okay, this is in enlarged form. So what is task view? You can see that where we can see how many tasks are working on our computer. And Cortana. Cortana, what is Cortana? Cortana can help user to complete certain tasks even without touching the keyboard. हम कीबोर्ड को टच नहीं करते हैं और हम कोटाना पे वर्क कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ अ पर्सनल असिस्टेंट जस्ट लाइक गूगल, सीरी, एलेक्सा, एंड देर आर सो मैनी options there. So Cortana is also an personal assistant. Hi, I am Cortana. Here is Cortana, and you can give command with your voice. Now Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is a browser. It is more secure. What is the quality of Microsoft Edge? It is more secure. It has been optimized to be safer than the previously available browser. Internet Explorer reading mode make the reading more comfortable by removing adverts and other distractions. Two things are there. Microsoft Edge is more secure, that's why it is important, and the another one is removing adverts and other distraction. If you want to read, then you can enable the reading mode and no ad or any distraction will come in between your studies. When you will be you will complete your studies, then you can disable the reading mode, and then it will show all the notifications and so many things. Means you will not get distracted during your studies. Okay, and any other work if you are doing, then you will not get distracted in between. So action center, what is action center? It consists of app notification and quick action button. We have quick action button, winter fell, what is this? Bluetooth, camera, high, device discoveries, all settings, location, airplane mode. Okay, there are so many things. So you can directly enable the things by touching it, by clicking on it. There is no a long step to do. Okay. Now Windows Hello. It is a biometric based feature that allow the user to authenticate themselves using their fingerprints, iris scan और फेशियल रिकॉग्निशन. मीन्स बायोमेट्रिक आप लोगों को पता है, हम थंब इम्प्रेशन लगाते हैं या हमारे आइरिस को वो कैप्चर करता है, वो पहले से वहाँ रिकॉर्डेड होता है, या हमारे फेस को रीड करता है. मोबाइल में भी होता है, जैसे अभी मैं ये मोबाइल ली हूँ तो ये देखिए मैंने यहाँ अपने फिंगर को लगाया और ये ओपन हो गया. ओके. और अगर मैं अभी यहाँ अपने फेस को देखती हूँ तो भी ये ओपन हो जाता है. तो ये सारे बायोमेट्रिक्स हैं. बायो मतलब क्या होता है? बायोलॉजी. ओके. बायोलॉजी हम पढ़ते हैं, जीव विज्ञान, जीव से रिलेटेड वो विज्ञान है. तो बायोमेट्रिक्स क्या है? ये हमारा फिंगर, ये लिविंग बीइंग है, हमारा आइरिस लिविंग बीइंग है, हमारा फेस लिविंग. सो लिविंग थिंग्स को हम एक पासवर्ड ऑथेंटिकेशन के लिए यूज करते हैं. ये बायोमेट्रिक बेस्ड फीचर होते हैं. तो ये सारी चीजें बायोमेट्रिक्स आप हमेशा याद रखेंगे कि लिविंग थिंग्स मीन्स हमारे आइरिस, हमारे थंब इम्प्रेशन, हमारे फिंगर इम्प्रेशन, हमारा फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन, ये सब यूज होता है हमें ऑथेंटिकेशन के लिए. जो ऑथराइज पर्सन है उसी के आइरिस के इमेज से वो ओपन होगा, उसी के फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन से, उसी के थंब इम्प्रेशन से. तो ये और ज़्यादा सिक्योर हो जाता है. यूटिलिटीज ऑफ विंडोज 10. विंडो मीडिया प्लेयर, बर्निंग अ सीडी. विंडोज मीडिया प्लेयर आपको पता है, हम उस पर मूवी देखते हैं, सॉन्ग देखते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. बर्निंग अ सीडी, सीडी को बर्न करना, यानी कि एक सीडी को हम फुल करते हैं, उसमें डेटा ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं अपने सिस्टम से. मीन्स सीडी को हम मतलब डेटा को हम कॉपी करते हैं सीडी में. इट इज़ कॉल्ड बर्निंग ऑफ सीडी. यू कैन सी हेयर. नाउ कंट्रोल पैनल. व्हाट इज़ कंट्रोल पैनल? कंट्रोल पैनल इस तरह का एक इंटरफेस होता है. इंटरफेस यानी कि जो आपके और सिस्टम के बीच में है वो इंटरफेस है. यहाँ हम लोग सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. रीजनल सेटिंग, साउंड सिस्टम, पावर, कीबोर्ड, मेल फैक्स, डेट एंड टाइम, डिस्प्ले, font, mouse, multimedia, users, accounts, and add, remove new hardwares. There are lots of things in control panel. Means control panel पूरे सिस्टम को कंट्रोल करता है, पूरी सेटिंग्स वहाँ से कंट्रोल होती है. हम लोग यहाँ से डेट एंड टाइम चेंज कर सकते हैं. हम फॉन्ट, यहाँ देखिए फॉन्ट अलग अलग हैं, सेम चीज़ लिखा है लेकिन अलग अलग फॉन्ट है, हम इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं. कन्फिगर द माउस, हम माउस को कन्फिगर कर सकते हैं. कोई लेफ्टी है तो लेफ्ट हैंडेड अपना करेगा क्लिक, कोई राइटी है तो राइट हैंड से करेगा. तो ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. पावर ऑप्शन, स्लीप मोड होता है. पावर ऑप्शन आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, ये स्लीप मोड है. यहाँ देखिए मैं अपने हाइलाइटर को ले जा रही हूँ. ये स्लीप मोड है, यानी कि हम यहाँ पे शट डाउन कर सकते हैं, रीस्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. हाइबरनेशन, हाइबरनेशन मोड क्या है कि जो भी हमने काम किया है वो सेव हो जाएगा. मीन्स हाइबरनेशन यानी दिमाग, ब्रेन. तो कंप्यूटर का ब्रेन वर्किंग होता है और वो उसको चीज़ों को सेव कर लेता है हाइबरनेशन मोड में. लेकिन हम स्लीप मोड में ऐसे रख देंगे तो कोई जरूरी नहीं कि वो सेव ही रहेगा. बट हाइबरनेशन मोड में जो वर्किंग चीज़ें हैं वो हम यहाँ देखिए, स्लीप है, शट डाउन है, रीस्टार्ट है, हाइबरनेट है. तो ये हाइबरनेट का ये है इमेज. तो हम इससे क्या करते हैं कि जो भी हम वर्किंग मेरी चल रही है उसको हम स्टोर कर सकते हैं. ये सारी चीज़ें बेटा आज हमें पढ़नी थी. और हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में और बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर के बेसिक कंप्यूटर को इंटरेस्टिंग वे में पढ़ेंगे। आप लोग कभी इसको भूलेंगे नहीं, ये सारी चीज़ें हैं। तो ऑल द बेस्ट, पढ़िए अच्छे से और अच्छा कीजिए। मिलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए पढ़ते रहिए, बढ़ते रहिए। एंड CS हब को आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं, लाइक कर सकते हैं अगर ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूज़फुल है, आपको इससे कोई हेल्प मिलता है तो। ओके, थैंक्स बच्चों, बाय।